Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello my dear students, how are you today? Today talk about the important lesson for the first prep stage at Al-Manhal National Language School. The important lesson today, it's important to contact with other people. Okay, today talk about the sound, and modern communication. Okay, at the beginning talk about the sound. Okay, talk about the first talk about the sound, and second talk about the modern communication. Okay, number one, sound. In physics, sound is a vibration that propagates as an acoustic wave, okay, through transmission medium such as gas. What's the medium which the sound propagates it? Gas or liquid or solid. Okay, in human physiology and psychology, sound is the reception of such waves and their perception by the brain. Okay, by the brain. Okay, number two, what does the sound explain? Before talk about what the sound explain, okay, sound consists of waves that travels in materials, creating areas of high pressure and low pressure. Okay, of high pressure and low pressure. Attention with me, my dear students. Sound waves travel through what? So solid or liquids or gases. Okay, solid, liquids or gases. The speed of sound in solid is higher than speed of sound in liquids, and the speed of sound in liquids is higher than speed of sound in gases. Okay, what's the sound explain? Sound is a term to describe what's heard when sound waves pass through a medium to the air. Okay, all sounds are made by vibrations of molecules through which the sound travels. Okay, vibration of molecules. خلاص. Okay, for instance, when a drum or a cymbal is struck, that object vibrates. Okay, all object vibrates. These vibrations make air molecules move. Okay, what is example of sound? Sound is vibration in air and water. Sound is vibration in air and water that stimulate the nerves inside the ears to create the sensation of hearing. An example of sound is music, is voices. Okay, this is examples of sound. The picture to explain the waves of sound. Okay, waves of sound. Number two, before the talk about the modern communication, what's the examples of sound you like and sounds you don't like? Some materials reflect sound and other ones absorb it. The walls of rooms used for radio and TV broadcasting are usually made of sound absorbing materials. Why? Excellent, because sound waves were reflected by the wall. Okay, are not refracted. Okay, reflected by the wall. This would produce noise. Okay, modern communication. What's modern communication? Modern forms of communication, fax or email and video conferencing. The technological advances of the past few decades have made it possible to transmit printed message, okay, picture and even live performance to all comers of the world with speed. Among such means are fax, internet, email and video conferencing. Okay, number two, what does the mean by communication system? Okay, communication system. In telecommunication, a communication system or communication system is collection of individual communication networks. Individual communication networks. Okay, attention with me. Communication is the term that refers to the exchange information. Okay, exchange of information. In past decades, communication technology has developed so rapidly that the world has become like a small village. Okay, a very long time ago, people used communicate by using drum and fire. Later, beacons were used to carry letter over long distances. Okay, over long distances. In the near past, the postal service was introduced, which is still widely used all over the world as an essential communication method. Okay, essential communication methods. What are the benefits of modern communication? What are the benefits of modern communication? Modern communication allows people to interact directly with people from all over the world. Okay, from all over the world, creating a more global society. Web cameras allow people to have face-to-face. Okay, web cameras allows people to have face-to-face conversations with people no matter their location, which removes many boundaries in excellent in social and business life. Okay, social and business life. Our lesson is ended today, and any question, attention with me. Any question via contact with me via الشريديو @المها National Language School. والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.